Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 13th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Performance Food Group, a leading food service distribution company in North America. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Performance Food Group has just released their fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from strong sales growth to strategic acquisitions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Performance Food Group reported net sales of $16.9 billion for the fourth quarter, an 11.5% increase from the previous year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth in net sales was primarily driven by recent acquisitions, including Cheney Brothers, and an increase in case volume. The company also benefited from a favorable shift in the mix of cases sold and inflation-driven price increases.
Despite the increase in sales, net income decreased by 21% to $131.5 million. What factors contributed to this decline?
The decline in net income was mainly due to higher operating expenses, which rose by 18.3%, driven by acquisitions and increased personnel costs. However, the adjusted EPS increased by 6.955, beating the forecasted EPS of $1.45.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Adjusted EBITDA for the quarter rose by 19.9% to $546.9 million. How did the company achieve this?
The increase in adjusted EBITDA was largely due to procurement efficiencies and contributions from recent acquisitions. The company has been optimizing its cost of goods sold, which helped improve gross profit margins.
Looking ahead, what is Performance Food Group's outlook for fiscal 2026?
The company is projecting net sales between $67 billion and $68 billion, with adjusted EBITDA expected to range from $1.9 billion to $2.0 billion. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth and integration of recent acquisitions.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Performance Food Group operates across several segments. How did each perform in the fourth quarter?
The food service segment saw a 20% increase in net sales to $9.2 billion, driven by acquisitions and case volume growth. The convenience segment grew by 2.8% to $6.4 billion, while the specialty segment increased by 4.1% to $1.3 billion. Each segment contributed positively to the overall performance.
The company also announced a new share repurchase program. Can you elaborate on this?
Yes, the board authorized a new $500 million share repurchase program, replacing the previous $300 million program. This move underscores the company's commitment to returning value to shareholders and reflects their strong cash flow position.
CEO insights and strategic vision. John, what insights did CEO George Holm provide regarding the company's strategic vision?
George Holm emphasized the company's focus on growth, market share gains, and operational execution. He highlighted the successful integration of Cheney Brothers and Jose Santiago as key to enhancing shareholder value. The company is on track to meet its 3-year financial targets, which were announced in May.
It sounds like Performance Food Group is well positioned for the future. Any final thoughts on their strategic initiatives?
Their strategic initiatives, including acquisitions and operational efficiencies, are clearly paying off. The company's ability to adapt and grow in a competitive market is commendable, and their focus on shareholder value is evident in their financial strategies.
Key takeaways. In summary, Performance Food Group has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2025, with significant sales growth and strategic acquisitions driving their success. Their outlook for fiscal 2026 remains positive, with ambitious sales and EBITDA targets. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Performance Food Group's impressive results and future prospects.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Performance Food Group's performance in the comments below. Until next time.